Stop doing what fragile and weak people do. A quick summary from Jordan Peterson's speech. If you ask a disagreeable person what he or she wants, they'll tell you right away, "This is what I want, and this is how I will get it." Agreeable people often don't know what they want because they're accustomed to living for others. For example, suppose you're more prone to being hurt physically and emotionally. In that case, you also may be loath to engage in high-intensity conflict. The advantage to having a well-socialized, disagreeable person is that they don't let much get in their way. Suppose your child's a horrible little monster. Because you're agreeable, you're afraid of disciplining them or don't know how to do that properly. In that case, they will experience rejection from other children and false smiles from other parents and adults. If you don't get in early, they don't move into that developmental spiral upwards and are left behind. So those kids are alienated and outside the peer group for the rest of their life. If you're disagreeable, one of the best things to do with unpleasant people is to isolate them from others. You must interact with people as if they're free souls capable of choosing between good and evil. It's essential to investigate the viewpoints of people who have opposing views to yours, because they'll tell you things that are not apparent to you. Capitalism creates a deep need for people who are self-reliant and self-regulating. When I was younger, I used to think that being an adult meant doing whatever you wanted. In the end, you find satisfaction and freedom from anxiety and properly playing your roles. You could make the case that there's so much suffering in life, and a lot of suffering associated with consciousness, that the whole game is rigged. But I decide to disagree and live my life as if that's wrong.